Do not furnish or redesign unless you have seen this. Top 5 AI Interior Designer Apps. Planner 5D. Planner 5D provides full 2D and 3D plans with auto-furnishing and layout suggestions. Great for both beginners and serious planners who want smart interior arrangements and 2D or 3D visualization. Homestyler. Homestyler is a widely recommended AI design app where you upload a photo of your room and the AI generates new design versions, furniture layouts, and full 3D visuals in different styles. Popular with DIY decorators and beginners. House Interior Design Ideas. House combines inspiration, shopping, and design tools in one platform. Browse millions of interior photos for ideas and use augmented reality features like View in My Room to see furniture in your space. Interior AI. Interior AI lets you upload a photo and instantly transform the space into a stylized interior based on your prompts and the style you chose, either modern or minimalist, Scandai, or transitional. Home by Me. Home by Me is a 3D home design and interior planner that lets you draw 2D floor plans and convert them into photoreal 3D rooms and furnish and decorate spaces from a large catalog of real brand furniture and decor. Follow us or connect to my new homeconnect.com for more tips and advice. Available on Google Play and soon on the App Store.